Mitsubishi Triton is a pickup truck that is manufactured and produced by the Japanese automaker Mitsubishi Motors since 1978. This truck is popularly known by different names in various countries, including Mitsubishi L200 in most regions, Mitsubishi Strada in the Philippines, and Mitsubishi Mighty Max in the United States. The current generation of Mitsubishi Triton was introduced in 2015 and has undergone several facelifts since then. This latest model offers a sporty and robust appearance with a modern design that resonates with those who seek adventure and utility. The Triton features a spacious double cab that provides enough room for passengers and cargo. Additionally, its bed can handle up to 3,000 pounds of weight, making it ideal for transporting heavy loads. The interior of this truck offers premium features such as leather seats, climate control, and an advanced 6-inch touchscreen display that supports smartphone integration, Bluetooth, and navigation. Under the hood, the Triton is powered by 2.4-liter diesel engine that delivers up to 181 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque. It's available with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 5-speed automatic transmission, depending on the model. The Triton also comes with advanced safety features such as forward collision mitigation, which uses sensor to detect an impending collision and automatically applies the brakes to prevent an accident. Additionally, Mitsubishi Motors reinforced impact safety evolution RISE body structure provides maximum protection for passengers in the event of a collision.